Hello, this is Savo Sandy. We are in middle of California. So here's a small town, and then I will show you the Exeter Racing Way.
Exeter Raceway and Hobbies location: 130 East Maple Street, Exeter, California, 93221. 1 block south of Bank of America on the main street. Store hours: always check Facebook or Google for special hours and events. Monday and Tuesday, closed. Exeter Hobbies is a locally owned and operated hobby store. They are a full-service hobby store that offers sales, service, repair, special orders, and an indoor off-road RC track. Their racetrack offers race rentals, party packages, and so much more. The parent company to Exeter Hobbies is TGN Distributing, a worldwide distributor for large-scale and 1/10 scale RC products.
So let's looking around. There's a hobby shop in here. Okay, let's see the Exeter Racing Way and Hobby. So I will show you this hobby store. And this hobby store is a little bit different because it's in small town. And then I believe it's a Traxxas main dealer in this town. So all his products Traxxas. And also they still have a lossy. We couple with a lossy a little bit more. And they have a rental on the car. So you can rent the car to play in this place. So here's an indoor small chair for the carpet. And they're gonna have a race at 11:30. And then here is a dirt buggy track. And they will have the birthday race. They will just rent the place and do have a birthday race in here. So gonna be fun after. So most of here is a small kid. And here is the crawler space. So the crawler can play here. And here's a pit area, so you can prepare your car in here. Thank you. I will keep tell you guys to any good race place around the world. If you have any question, please leave the message for me.